Tamper-proof treated area signage is one of the simplest ways homeowners can keep do-it-yourself pest control both safe and compliant. When you treat around your home with sprays, granules, or bait stations, every treated zone should be clearly labeled so kids, visitors, and pets know to stay away. Use durable, waterproof labels that state the chemical name, the target pest, the application date, and any basic hazard warning like "do not touch" or "keep pets away." If you do not have pre-made labels, print your own on waterproof label paper and cover them with clear packing tape to keep the ink from smearing in rain or sprinklers. Attach these labels to bait station lids, fence posts near treated soil, and gates that people commonly use, so they see the warning before stepping into the area. Keep a written log in a notebook or a simple spreadsheet listing each location, what product you used, how much you applied, and the date, and give each station a simple code like Station A or Backgate 1 so your log matches the labels. When you start a new treatment campaign, rotate the signs by replacing older labels with new ones that reflect the current date and product so no one is confused by outdated information. One big mistake is using flimsy paper or marker on bare plastic that fades in a week, which leaves people walking into treated areas without any warning, so upgrade to waterproof labels and permanent outdoor ink. Another common issue is putting the sign too far from where the actual hazard is, like a single warning at the front door even though the bait is in the side yard. So place signage at every main entry point close enough that someone could read it before touching anything. A third problem is never updating signs or records, which makes it impossible to remember what chemical went where if there is an exposure or if you want to switch products. So schedule a quick check once a month to replace worn labels and update your log with any new applications. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners who want to do their own pest control find local contractors and pros when they need backup, like safe chemical handling, inspections, or more complex treatments. We also help contractors get found by homeowners looking for this kind of work, and we give both sides a community discussion space where people can ask questions, compare signage ideas, and share what works in real yards and real neighborhoods.